Hello and welcome to tip number 14 in this 30 Photoshop's tips course. Now what I'm going to show you in this tutorial is a cheeky little tip on how to select colors. Now we all know how to select colors in Photoshop. We can just select the eyedropper tool and you can click and you're going to see your color be selected here. But what a lot of people don't know is you can actually select colors outside of Photoshop. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to reduce the size of Photoshop, and we've got the Inspiration Clan website in the background here. Now with the dropper selected, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to click in my document, which is going to bring up this circle, and I'm just going to drag onto the website, so external from Photoshop, not the Photoshop window. So say for example I wanted to select a color from the logo on the website. I'm just going to release there. I'm going to come back into Photoshop and we can see we have that green color selected. And I'll do another example for you. Let's just click and drag, select the color of this button and come back into Photoshop, and there we have it. That color is also selected. So this is super effective if you're working on a website, for example, you want to quickly grab a color that's not in Photoshop. That is the way to do it. So thank you very much for joining me in this quick tip. I shall see you in the next video.